Hello, good afternoon, good morning, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and you join me at the wheel of a 2019 SEAT Alhambra diesel. This is quite a luxury model. This one, leather interior, all the trimmings, essentially just a different version of a VW Sharan. Automatic gearbox with 5 speeds, and a very smooth ride, and obviously with an MPV this has got good headroom, and as you can see, a panoramic sunroof. I'm filming this in flat screen because that's the only way I can right now. It's quite a big vehicle, obviously, for me, so very careful. I'm getting out of this tight gate. Luckily, it has a reverse camera, loads of sensors, so it knows where I am before I do. It's got so much spatial awareness, in fact, that it's probably it was probably better at social distancing than most of the British public were during the pandemic. Anyway, it's a very smooth ride, this, and as well, I've discovered a very nice feature that this particular Alhambra has, which is it has an electric light on the blind side mirror that warns you when something is something or someone is overtaking you very closely, which is an incredible feature. Security locks, as you can hear, and it's running very smoothly. Works its way up through the gears very nicely. This particular model only has about 59,000 miles on it, so it's barely worn in. I'm surprised these aren't used as taxis, to be honest. Sorry, I was just looking at a rather dodgy looking truck in front of me. This is only a brief road test because I was just picking up some wiper blades. Hardly a quick journey at all. Hardly a long journey at all, rather. It's still quite pleasant. Very efficient air conditioning, as you can hear. Jeez, it's getting cold already. Crikey. But as it kind of drowns out while I'm speaking, I have to turn it off there. Certainly cool things down in a space of about 30 seconds. This is very good. I know, and it doesn't feel as boring or as I've done my breeding and waiting to die as MPVs of the previous generation might have felt. This is a very luxurious model, so it's been geared towards posh mini cabbers and maybe even hotel transport. As you can see, the seats in this are folded back deer views, so folded down deer views. So I can't show you how many people this particular MPV seats. It's either 7 or 8. Slightly bigger than a Zafira, and roughly the same size as an Espace. Anyhow, question now arises is where we're going to park it. And it doesn't drive like a massive hulking great lump either. It just feels like a Passat on stilts, which is no bad thing. Very refined diesel. Turning circles, not bad at all. As you can hear, good spatial awareness, which is almost irrelevant because the visibility in this is very good. Electric parking brake. Oh, I think this is a stop start as well. Anyway, I'll just show you around it. Oh, not bad, eh? Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.